What is the difference after installing 1.25 wheel spacers on ROX? The 1.25 wheel spacers are a kind of wheel upgrade accessory that has now become a common practice among many ROX modification lovers. If the offset is not ideal, a set of 1.25 wheel spacers can fix the wrong offset. They can also improve the stability, handling, and overall appearance of the ROX. The first difference is that the stance of the ROX will be wider. After fitting 1.25 wheel spacers, you can move the wheels further away from the suspension. This increases the track width. As the track width increases, the ROX performance tends to become more stable, and handling usually improves as well. The lateral grip of the tires is also improved. With these 1.25 wheel spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. Installing 1.25 wheel spacers is an effective way to increase the clearance between the wheel and the brake caliper. This can be especially useful if you plan to fit larger brakes or wheels on your ROX. The additional clearance provided by the spacers can prevent the brakes from rubbing against the wheels. A car with a lower center of gravity will handle better, thanks to reduced roll and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding 1.25 wheel spacers of the appropriate thickness. This improves the overall ride experience. Heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked by anyone seriously about the performance potential of their ROX. BONOSS FT Cooling 1.25 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of 1.25 wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarges the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS Forge FT Cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.